The universe is under no obligation to make sense to us. Its mysteries are vast, its rules indifferent to our hopes or fears. For centuries we gazed at the stars, comforted by their apparent order and serenity. The night sky seemed eternal, a tapestry of light that promised stability and wonder. But today, July 22nd, 2025, that illusion is gone. The universe has revealed a new unsettling face. The James Webb Space Telescope has found not life, but a phenomenon so violent it forces us to rethink our place in the cosmos. Its golden mirrors have captured evidence of something that defies our expectations and shakes the foundation of our understanding. The cosmos is not always a gentle cradle. Sometimes it's a predator. It can nurture, but it can also destroy, indifferent to the fate of worlds. Webb has uncovered a naturally occurring, previously theoretical phenomenon, a cosmic shredder, capable of dismantling entire solar systems. This is not a myth or a distant possibility, but a reality unfolding in the depths of space. This isn't a supernova, it's something more insidious, a force that destabilizes the gravitational balance of solar systems. It works silently, unraveling the bonds that hold planets in their orbits. Planets are torn from orbits, worlds rendered uninhabitable in a cosmic blink. In mere moments, entire histories are erased. Civilizations, if they existed, wiped out without warning. The data shows a ghostly graveyard of planetary debris just 2,500 light-years away. Fragments of shattered worlds drift silently, a haunting reminder of the universe's destructive power. This is a unifying, if terrifying, truth, a clear and present danger not of our own making, but from the fundamental physics of the universe. It's a reminder that our existence is both precious and precarious, balanced on the edge of cosmic forces beyond our control. This discovery is a call to action for science, for global cooperation, and for a deeper appreciation of our fragile world. We must come together not just as nations, but as a species, to understand and confront the challenges the universe presents. The Webb telescope has lit a flare, revealing the shadow of a predator lurking in the cosmic dark. Its warning echoes across the void, urging us to awaken to the reality of our place in the universe and to cherish the rare sanctuary we call home. To grasp the magnitude of this discovery, you must appreciate the tool that made it possible. The James Webb Space Telescope is a marvel of engineering, launched in 2021 to see the universe in infrared, peering through cosmic dust to the dawn of time. Stationed a million miles from Earth at the L2 point, Webb's cold, shielded instruments capture faint signals from the distant universe. Its mission to answer fundamental questions about our origins and search for life, but also to reveal cosmic hazards. The very precision that made Webb a time machine has now given us a chilling glimpse into a potential future. Webb was observing the Southern Ring Nebula, 2,500 light-years away, a dying star's remnant. Normally, such nebulae are symmetrical clouds of gas, but follow-up observations revealed something disturbing. Small rocky bodies on the nebula's edge weren't orbiting predictably. They were being pulled apart and ejected in corkscrew patterns. It was as if an invisible force was shredding the system's gravitational fabric. Dr. Lena Petrova's team ruled out black holes and rogue stars. The effect was too uniform. They named it a gravitational resonance cascade, or GRC, a deadly, propagating wave of instability from a unique stellar collapse. Dr. David Chen likened it to a bell ringing so powerfully it shakes apart other bells nearby. The cosmic shredder leaves behind a graveyard of debris, and its implications are staggering. Such waves could be traveling through the galaxy right now. The universe just became a lot more dangerous. The cosmic shredder is a ripple in space-time, but not like the fleeting gravitational waves from black hole mergers. The GRC is a long-lasting, low-frequency wave, likely created by a rare, rapidly spinning, metal-rich, supermassive star collapsing in a bizarre, unstable state. During this phase, the star's violent pulsations generate spiraling waves in space-time, tuned to disrupt planetary orbits. The evidence debris around NGC 3132 moving in helical patterns, matching models of a spiraling gravitational wave. The shredding is slow, methodical, and invisible until it's too late. A GRC could travel for millions of years, undetectable until it enters a solar system. The first signs would be subtle orbital changes in outer planets. By the time we noticed, the cascade would be underway. Against this force, we have no defense. This discovery wasn't a single eureka moment, but a slow realization. It began in 2022 with Webb's images of the Southern Ring Nebula, beautiful but seemingly routine. In late 2024, a graduate student noticed faint objects in the nebula's field behaving oddly, accelerating away, not orbiting. The anomaly triggered a deeper review. Simulations ruled out rogue stars or hidden planets. In May 2025, a theoretical astrophysicist proposed the GRC hypothesis, the only model that fit the data. Emergency sessions at NASA and ESA followed. Independent teams verified the findings. By June consensus, a new hazardous cosmic phenomenon had been witnessed. Today, July 22nd, 2025, the world learns the truth. The announcement has sent shockwaves through the scientific community, igniting a flurry of debate and excitement among experts worldwide. Researchers are gathering in labs and online forums, eager to analyze the implications of this unprecedented finding. Dr. Lena Petrova, who led the discovery, summed it up: "As a scientist, I'm ecstatic. This is the kind of moment we dream about, when years of work suddenly reveal something truly extraordinary. As a human, it's unsettling. The realization that we are vulnerable to forces we barely understand is both humbling and a little frightening. This is a silent, invisible threat that could affect an entire solar system, something lurking in the cosmic dark, undetectable until now." Dr. David Chen emphasized urgency. "We have one data point. That's not enough to understand the scale of the risk we're facing. We must search for other GRC signatures, and we need to do it quickly. Every new piece of data could be crucial. These are now questions of planetary security. The safety of our world and perhaps others could depend on what we find next. The discovery justifies every penny spent on Webb. Its capabilities are proving essential, opening new windows into the universe's most mysterious phenomena." Martin Rees, Astronomer Royal, noted, "Not only are we not at the center of the universe, we're not in a particularly safe part of it. Our solar system is just one of many exposed to cosmic hazards we're only beginning to comprehend. The universe's failed experiments can have lethal consequences millions of years later. Catastrophic events echo across time and space, shaping the fate of worlds. The consensus: the game has changed. Scientists agree that our understanding of cosmic threats must evolve rapidly. This is a paradigm shift, forcing humility and a new sense of urgency. The clock is ticking, and the stakes have never been higher. The need for systematic global research is now clear. Collaboration across borders and disciplines is essential to meet this challenge. Are these events rare or common? The answer could redefine our place in the cosmos. Is one heading our way? The possibility is no longer remote, but a question demanding immediate attention. These are no longer science fiction, they're urgent questions for humanity. The public is watching and the world is waiting for answers. The universe is more unpredictable than we imagined, filled with dangers and wonders beyond our current understanding. Our survival may depend on what we learn next. The search for answers has never been more urgent or more inspiring. The cosmic shredder discovery changes everything, not just for science but for society. Our greatest threats have always been terrestrial. Now we must add galactic-scale disruption to the list. This demands a radical shift in thinking and massive investment in space science. Agencies like NASA and ESA are now our first line of defense. Expect calls for a planetary defense initiative with new telescopes dedicated to searching for GRC signatures. The cost will be immense, but the stakes are higher than ever. Socially, this discovery could unify humanity, forcing us to see Earth as a fragile oasis in a hostile cosmos. The question, are we alone, is joined by, are we safe? The universe is indifferent to our survival. Our intelligence and technology are our only shields. This is a humbling truth, but also a call to action. For deeper insight into this cosmic mystery, we spoke with Dr. Evelyn Reed, a leading expert on stellar death and the fabric of space-time. Her research has shaped much of what we know about catastrophic cosmic events. Dr. Reed explained, "For decades, our greatest fears centered on asteroids and supernovas, localized sudden threats that could devastate a planet or a star system in an instant. But the GRC, or shredder phenomenon, is fundamentally different. It doesn't just strike a single world, it unravels entire solar systems, rendering them completely uninhabitable and erasing any chance for life to survive." Dr. Reed reassures us that panic isn't warranted. The event we observed actually occurred 2,500 years ago, in a distant region of the galaxy, far from Earth. The key question now is, How often do these GRC-producing collapses actually occur? Are they rare cosmic accidents or something more frequent? If these events are truly rare, then the odds are in our favor and we're likely safe for the foreseeable future. But if they're not, then the galaxy could be crisscrossed by invisible, destructive waves, currents of energy that could threaten countless worlds. It's as if we've gone from being unaware of sharks in the ocean to suddenly seeing one for the very first time. The danger was always there, but now we know to look for it. Now our challenge is clear. We must find out how many of these cosmic sharks are out there, lurking in the depths of space. For the future of space exploration, this discovery changes everything. Our priorities and strategies must adapt to this new reality. Passive observation is no longer enough. We must actively map and monitor our galactic neighborhood, searching for potential threats before they find us. Observatories like Webb are now essential tools for reconnaissance, acting as our early warning system against cosmic dangers. This isn't about searching for alien life, it's about charting the dangerous currents and hidden hazards in our own cosmic backyard. The universe is sending us a message. It's time to wake up, pay attention, and take our place as vigilant explorers in a dynamic, sometimes perilous cosmos. Today's revelation from Webb is a turning point in the human story. Science replaces ignorance with knowledge, even when that knowledge is uncomfortable. The cosmic shredder reveals a universe more complex and dangerous than we imagined. This should not lead to fear, but to respect and a renewed commitment to science. Every investment in research is an investment in our future. Knowledge is our only shield. Webb has empowered us with a warning, not a doom. Like our ancestors facing predators in the dark, we must build better tools and stronger communities. The universe is our wilderness. The GRC is a predator we've just identified. Our response, global cooperation, relentless curiosity, and scientific vigilance. Talk about this. Demand that leaders prioritize research and cooperation. The story of the cosmic shredder is not an ending, but a beginning, a new chapter in our relationship with the cosmos. We must have the courage to keep looking up,